was nice, the party was pumping. Hey, yippee-yi-yo, and everybody having a ball. Yippee-yi-yo, until the fellas started name calling. Yippee-yi-yo, and the girls respond to the call. Who let the dogs out? 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 See the damn people head up our coast. She really wants to skip town. Get back gruffy, back scruffy. Get back you flea infected mongrel. Gonna tell myself I'm man no get angry. Hey, yippee-yi-yo. Two any girls calling them canine. Hey, yippee-yi-yo. But they say me hey man, part of the party. Yippee-yi-yo. Put a woman in front and her man behind. Let a woman shout out. Who let the dogs out? 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 Say, a doggy is nothing if he don't have a bone. Oh doggy, hold your bone. Oh doggy, hold it. A doggy is nothing if he don't have a bone. Oh doggy, hold your bone. Oh doggy, hold it. Who let the dogs out? 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 See the damn people head up our coast. She really wants to skip town. Get back gruffy, back scruffy. Get back you flea infesting mongrel. Well if I am a dog, the party is on. I gotta get my girl, I got my mind on gone. Do you see the rays coming from my eye? Walking through the prison, Digimon just breaking them down. Me and me white shorts, and I can see color. Any color will do, I'm telling you that's why they call me faithful. Cause I'm the man of the land, and when they see they go ooh. Who let the dogs out? Who